Hello and welcome to Why Not DIY. Christmas season is around the corner, and with kids at home, what's better to get them in the mood for Christmas more than preparing gingerbread cookies? These cookies are warm with ginger and cinnamon inside and flavorful to an extent that once baked, you will be able to smell the aroma as you walk around the house. Your little chefs can get their hands busy cutting their cookies into different shapes without forgetting about the famous gingerbread man. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. And now, let's make some gingerbread cookies together. Join me in this video. I am Rafa from Why Not DIY.
In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then set aside. Bring your stand mixer and start beating 2/3 cup of softened butter and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Beat for 2 minutes over medium to high speed until the batter becomes fluffy. Then add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 2/3 cup molasses and beat on medium speed until all ingredients become combined. Change the speed into low to medium and start adding gradually the dry ingredients in batches. Continue beating until all ingredients are combined. Divide the dough into equal balls, then flatten each ball to 1 inch thickness and wrap it with a cling film. Chill the dough in the fridge for 3 hours minimum. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Dust your workspace with flour, then roll the dough. The thickness should be 1/8 inch. Cut the cookies using your favorite shaped cookie cutters and transfer the cookies to a baking tray covered with parchment paper. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, then remove the tray from the oven and let the cookies cool for 5 minutes. After that, you may be able to move them to a wire rack to cool perfectly. To prepare the icing sugar, whisk 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract until the icing becomes smooth. This may take up to 2 minutes. Finally, wait for the cookies to cool well before decorating them with the icing. Remember to add drops of food coloring to create nice decorations around the festive season.
Seriously, I cannot put in the right words how beautiful and aromatic the smell is in the kitchen right now. You can easily feel Christmas in the air. Our gingerbread stars, trees and men are all ready to be decorated and served. They are healthy, made with a minimum amount of sugar and of butter to eat them without guilt. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a nice rating and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. See you online!